Hi, this is Jurassic Joe with Jurassic Sands, and today we're going to be telling you how much sand you need for your Step 2 sand table. At Jurassic Sands, we offer 10 all-natural, no dust, no dye sands, and today we have 3 of our favorites for this Step 2 sand table. The first one, we have this Golden Cambrian beach sand. For this next one, we have our riverbed sand, and for this final one, we have vanilla shore. All of these sands look great in your sensory table, and there's unique reasons why we recommend each of these sands. Typically, we recommend that you need about 25 pounds of sand for your Step 2 sand table. You can always order a little bit extra to have some in case some spills out. The reason we recommend Golden Cambrian for this sand table is the gold grains look really good against this red backdrop. And since it's dust-free, it's safe to use indoors and outdoors. Next, we have our riverbed sand. The reason we recommend this sand for this sand table is the large grains. This is the largest of the 3. Makes it extremely easy for a child to wipe their hands, get all the grains off of it, easy for you to store, and it's easy to clean up if any were to spill out. This doesn't mold very well, but it's a great sand, especially for a younger child, so you can scoop and pour. Next, we have our vanilla shore sand. This sand is great for molding, so if you were to add water to this sand table, they can easily mold, make sand castles. Just keep in mind the sand table doesn't have a drain. The natural grain color looks terrific in this sand table. So we have 25 pounds of our Golden Cambrian beach sand. This is a fantastic sensory material for this sand table. We have 25 pounds. Jurassic Sand sells multiple sizes of sand, but all our sand is delivered directly to your door. So it's a great option for natural, clean, dust-free, dye-free sand that just comes straight to your door and makes it a breeze, as we have specific sizes for different sand tables and sandboxes. So you would only need to order about 25 pounds of any of our 10 natural sands. But if you wanted, you could order 50 pounds and have a little extra in case there's some spillage or you want to refill. Or you can order multiple sands and be able to swap the different sensory materials for your child. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pour the Golden Cambrian beach sand. As you saw, there was no dust in the sand, which makes it great for indoor and outdoor use. So you saw me pour 25 pounds of our Golden Cambrian beach sand. And what you're aiming for, we like to fill up this about halfway. It's dependent upon your child. This is a perfect amount of sand for your sand table. It's still light enough to put the lid on and be able to move it easily. And it's the right amount of sand for a child to dig and explore, but be a little less tempted to be dumping sand over the side of the sand table. And the reason we love Golden Cambrian beach sand as our favorite sand for this sand table is the gold grains look really good against the red table, but also this larger grain size, it's very easy for a child to keep the sand in the sand table and be able to wipe it off. It's a very clean sand and it's dust-free, so again, it's great indoors or outdoors. So 25 pounds is the perfect amount of sand to allow you to keep the toys in the sand table too. You can easily put the cover on with the toys in there and the sand. You easily just strap it down. And since 25 pounds is the perfect amount of sand where it's still easy enough to pick up the whole sand table, be able to store it, be able to put it away for a certain amount of time, or bring it outside or bring it indoors. So remember, the Step 2 sand table only needs about 25 pounds of sand. You can always order a little bit extra in case some spills out. The things you'll want to look for in the sensory material that you place inside this bin is that it's natural, that it's dust-free, so it can be used indoors and outdoors. And you'll want to make sure that the sand grain or the sensory material that you put in this bin is a larger grain, so it's easy for the child to wipe their hands and keep the sand in the sand table. So be sure to check out our other videos. We have a video with an overall review and a video about the assembly of this table. And be sure to go to JurassicSand.com to see all our different sands. We have 10 all-natural sands that never have dust nor dyes. They're great sensory materials. There's a variety of texture and colors, and it's delivered right to your door. So be sure to check out JurassicSand.com.